Hello everyone, myself Neha Singh. I am counselor of Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today I am going to tell you about COVID 19. The COVID 19 pandemic, also known as coronavirus pandemic, is an ongoing global pandemic of coronavirus disease 2019 caused by severe acute respiratory syndromes coronavirus 2. The outbreak was first identified in Wuhan, China in December 2019. The World Health Organization declared an outbreak a public health emergency of international concern on 30 January 2020 and pandemic on 11 March. The virus is primarily spread between peoples during close contact, most often by small droplets produced by coughing, sneezing, and talking. The droplets usually fall to the ground or onto surface rather than traveling through air over a long distance. Although in some cases they may remain airborne on 10 of minutes, less commonly people may become infected by touching a contaminated surface and then touching their face. It is most contagious during the first 3 days after the onset of symptoms. Although spread is possible before symptoms appear and from people who do not show symptoms. In next slide we will see common symptoms of coronavirus. Researchers in China found that most common symptoms among people who were hospitalized with COVID 19 include fever, fatigue, a dry cough, loss of appetite, body ache, shortness of breath. Mucus or phlegm symptoms usually begin 2 to 14 days after you come into contact with the virus. Other symptoms may include sore throat, headache, chills, sometimes with shaking, loss of smell or taste, congestion or running nose, nausea or vomiting, diarrhea. Emergency symptoms: call a doctor or hospitals right away if you have one or more of these COVID 19 symptoms. Trouble breathing, constant pain or pressure in your chest, bluish lips or face, sudden confusions. In next slide we will see here what you can do keep yourself safe. First one is wash hands frequently. Scrub wax off hands between fingers and under nails for at least 20 seconds with soap and water or alcohol based hand rub to kill virus. Second one, avoid crowded place. When someone cough or sneeze, they release some liquid droplets from their nose or mouth that may contain virus. If you are too close, you can breathe in the droplets, including the virus. Third one, avoid touching eyes, nose, and mouth. Hands touch many surfaces and can pick up virus. Once contaminated hands can transfer the virus to your eyes, nose, or mouth. From there, the virus can enter your body. Fourth one, practice respiratory hygiene. Droplet spread virus. By following good respiratory hygiene, you protect the peoples around you from viruses. Fifth one, wear a mask if you have respiratory symptoms. Mask isn't required to worn by all. Only those with respiratory symptoms, coughing or sneezing, needs to use to protect others from getting the virus. If you use a mask, make sure it is disposed of properly. Here is the list of do's and don'ts to stall the spreads of the virus. Do's: cover your nose and mouth with disposable tissue or handkerchief. Frequently wash your hands with soap and water. Avoid crowded place. Person suffering from influenza like illness must be confined at home. Stay more than one arm's length distance from person sick with flu. Take adequate sleeps and rest. Drink plenty of waters, liquids, and eat nutritious food. Person suspected with influenza like illness must consult doctor. Don'ts: touching eyes, nose, or mouth with unwashed hands while coughing or sneezing, hugging, kissing, shaking hands with greeting, splitting in public places, taking medicines without consulting doctors, disposable or used napkin or tissue paper in open areas, touching surface usually used by public, railing, doors, gates, etc. What to do if you think you have mild symptoms? If you have mild symptoms like a fever, shortness of breath, or coughing, stay home unless you need medical care. If you do need to go, call your doctor or hospital first for guidance. Tell your doctor about your illness. If you are at high risk of complications because of your age or other health conditions, they might have more instructions. Isolate yourself. This means staying away from others people as much as possible. Even members of your family. Stay in a specific sick room and use a separate bathroom if you can. Wear a cloth face covering if you have to around anyone else. This includes people you live with. Rest up and drink plenty of fluids. Over the counter medicines might help you feel better. Keep track of your symptoms. If they get worse, get medical help right away. Dear children, do not step outside the house unless it is very crucial. Staying indoors and eating home cooked food is ideal under such circumstances. Personal hygiene plays a crucial role as well. Once again, I want to tell you someone cough or sneeze in front of you, maintain distance and always cover your face with handkerchief or tissue. If at all you must step outside, wear a face mask. Avoid touching your face. Avoid going to public places and touching surface like lift buttons, doors, chairs, etc. with naked hand. Always use tissue. Frequently wash your hands with soap. Use an alcohol based sanitizer for hand wash, especially before and after meals. Avoid touch with any other individual. Stay at distance of a minimum 1.5 meters away from people, especially those who are coughing and sneezing. Stay at home, stay safe. Thank you.